Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make German potato salad. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of waxy potatoes, such as red or Yukon Gold, which hold their shape well. Also, have on hand 6 to 8 slices of thick-cut bacon, 1 small onion, and some fresh parsley. For the dressing, prepare white vinegar, a touch of mustard, sugar, salt, and pepper. Next, let's get cooking. First, boil your scrubbed, whole potatoes in salted water until they are fork tender, which usually takes around 20 minutes. While the potatoes cook, dice your 6 to 8 slices of thick-cut bacon. Cook the bacon in a large skillet over medium heat until it's beautifully crispy and golden brown. Once done, remove the bacon, but be sure to leave those flavorful drippings in the pan. They are essential for our dressing. Now let's create that signature warm dressing. In the same skillet with the bacon drippings, sauté your diced small onion until it becomes soft and translucent. Then, carefully add 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1½ tablespoons of sugar. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of mustard. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, letting it cook for about 2 minutes to allow the flavors to combine beautifully. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Once your potatoes have cooled slightly, peel and slice them into 1/4 inch rounds. Add these warm potato slices and most of your crispy bacon to the skillet with the dressing. Gently toss everything together, ensuring all the potatoes are thoroughly coated and have absorbed that delicious, tangy flavor. Garnish your German potato salad with fresh chopped parsley and serve it warm for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.